Welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, here we are at the Rudds Arms, waiting to play for the New Year gig. We're just here this afternoon, just setting up so we don't have to be stressed out and all that. We've come here really early, set up, then we're going to go home. So just a quick skeg at my gear, then what I'm using tonight. I use two Marshall JCM 800 bass series, but one's a lead series and the other one's a bass series. And I mix them up. I have one going out from the house and then both coming through my ears as well. So I have it all in stereo. So I'll check my rig out right now. So this is how I have it. Have an effects pedal on the front, bit of wah, some songs, sounds great to the bass. And yeah, really looking forward to tonight. So whatever you're doing, have a really good, safe New Year, and I'll see you in the New Year with some really good car videos and band videos and whatever. So hope you all have a good New Year. Remember, seeds above it all.